Howdy, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we're about to take a look at the two-bedroom. This is at the Presidium Frisco Square, and this is an open two-bedroom, so it's not furnished, but it's very pretty. It's never been leased. It's beautiful. So let's take a look at it right now. By the way, here's the hallways. Really pretty, attractive hallways. Really clean, super, super well lighted. Love it. Okay, so now let's walk in and see it. Okay, very, very pretty two-bedroom. Look at this. This is a large kitchen. Love all the space that's here. Love the all the cabinets that are here. This is nice. It's also got a built-in desk. That's a big plus. Love the backsplash. The backsplash here is really, really pretty. Pretty look and feel. I love the white kind of the backsplash that's there. That's really cool. And let's see, it's got a nice island here too. The island is beautiful. It's got pretty good size. So this could probably fit 3, if not 4 bar stools there. You do have a mudroom, by the way, over there too. And then you've got this huge space. So what I love about it is, number one, the huge space is here. And then number 2, there's a good separation between these bedrooms. So very, very nice to see this. Let's take a look at this. So we're now gonna go outside on the balcony and open this up and take a look. Okay, so huge balcony space out here. Wow, this is mega, mega huge. Huge balcony space. You can fit a table, even 2 tables. This is like a courtyard space here, by the way, facing it. We hadn't seen that yet, but that's a nice courtyard space that's there. So huge, really nice 2-bedroom that's here. Love seeing this a lot. Hey, if you have questions at any time about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below. And if you want to set up a tour, the easiest way is actually to do a virtual tour, a virtual live tour. I can set that up for you right away. Depending on the time of day, we can do same day, next day, or just schedule in the future. Send me a text and just say, hey, Grant, I want to set up that tour. Tell me which type of tour you want, or just say hi. I look forward to hearing from you. Okay, we have another video. We're going to go into the bedrooms and bathrooms right now. So let's take a look at that right now.